Welcome to an exploration of foreign policy analysis, FPA, a multidisciplinary approach to understanding global diplomacy. FPA goes beyond traditional international relations, delving into the minds of various actors shaping foreign policy, embracing a diverse array of influences. Drawing from psychology, FPA unravels the cognitive processes behind decision-making, shedding light on the biases and heuristics shaping policymakers' choices. Sociology, economics, and anthropology all play crucial roles in FPA, examining the impact of social networks, domestic politics, and cultural dimensions on foreign policy outcomes. Panelists from the Middle East, Asia, Africa, and Latin America share insights into the unique foreign policy priorities and challenges in their regions. Scholars emphasize the importance of challenging ethnocentrism and embracing diverse voices to enrich the field of FPA. As we conclude, let's reaffirm our commitment to inclusivity, diversity, and a global perspective in FPA scholarship, shaping a more interconnected world.